Uploading any Premier League video match on your YouTube channel will easily result to a copyright strike, which will lead to demonetization of your channel videos, and 3 of those strikes will lead to the termination of your channel. Now, having said that, you can still find many channels on YouTube uploading football highlight videos which are monetized, which means their videos hardly get any copyright claims. So, what are these other YouTube creators doing to avoid copyright claims on their football highlight videos? In this video, I'll be showing you how to get past any copyright claims when making football highlight videos for your YouTube channel. Now, without wasting much of your time, here is what we'll be going through in this video. For a start, I'm going to show you where you can download football matches that you can use when editing your highlight videos. Then, we'll go through the amount of content you're allowed to use from the downloaded videos, and finally, how to add value and transform